Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Motorola Moto E6i. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and enter Edge. Click on search and now click install. And now you have to wait for your application to be installed. And now you can click open. Here you can just click skip introduction. Now click next. Here you can sign in with your account to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Edge default browser, or you can click not now. Here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Edge is set up. Now it asks you if you want to import browsing data from Google, you can click not now. And now your Microsoft Edge works just like any other browser. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.